USA versus UK English. Cotton candy versus cotton floss. Cotton candy is the US, but you would say cotton floss in the UK. Cookie versus biscuit. In the US, they say cookie. In the UK, they say biscuit. In the US, they say green thumb. In the UK, they say green fingers. This means someone who is good at growing things or good at gardening. Parking lot versus car park. In the USA, they say parking lot is somewhere to put your car at the shopping mall or whatever. In the UK, they say car park. In the USA, they say windshield, which is the front window of your car. In the UK, they say windscreen. In the UK, they say bloke, which means just a guy. In the US, they'll say dude. So that's kind of just an informal way to refer to like a guy, maybe that you're friends with. If you're just referring to some random person, maybe it's a missing person or some dead body that you don't know the name, in the USA, you could say John Doe. However, in the UK, they say John Smith. If you're just wasting time, maybe a teacher could say this about their students or parents about their kids. In the USA, you could say lollygag. In the UK, you would say faff about. That just means wasting time.